It pains me. Instead of having leaders in government, we have dealers. Dealers are people who are there to take. Leaders are people who are there to give. Nations fall because they have more dealers than leaders. Nations fail because dealers take over where they're supposed to be leadership. Makoma apera kuveurwa. Mamwane mparavara, mamwe aiswa panki, mamwe aiswa mohawk. Ha! Kondiani unogera makomo ekwedu. Wabvumizwa nani? Pamwandu kukanyaura ngana. Pamoti ayo wamatsotsa agerani. Kwari kuti gera ndiani? Uvanlo. But it's because we have dealers instead of leaders. And what we need to pray to God for is leaders. Because leaders give, dealers take. Are you a dealer or a giver? Of course, if you are in business, I understand. You are doing business. But when you are in government, the business of government is not taking, but giving. Therefore, our legacy is a legacy of giving.